How will its color, its sound, what will they be like? Will the earth still be the earth? Will the night pour forth like heat? And myself, who will I be? What kind of never will I have been born from? And to which will I journey? And as for those maybes, the wise, the somnolent I love yous, will they come out again, even for a moment to sing? Will the arms be raised to wing-like fluttering? The halted dances, what music should I play that they might recommence? Which tale should I tell to scare off the dark? Who will the fire frolic for anymore, and the ashes hew? Will the wave be returning again and again to tell me, get started? Which is the boat at anchor? Which is the dinghy? Light. I will cry to the boatman, follow the light. I know it, and it knows me, and it is going to be fine. The slumber slushing shadows are erased, the dreams and the star I never caught turn to air. I will carry in my hand the beat, will be from the heart and even deeper, from the sun all the way to yes, and from the moon all the way to no. A voice will say, hearken, Alu, Alu, is heard from the young seagulls, roaring wave upon wave, sea spray, and rocks holding ledgers. No, I will not turn back to see what. The way back is a snake. Run, you can still make it. Your shadow shall dip its finger in the west. It will extract a drop of scarlet red wine, trembling at the first star. Drink.